Hi everybody, I'm Implant Mike. Remember me? I go to get, and that's one of my best assistants over here for the office, Paola. We call her Pal. Remember that, okay? You'll see her when you come take the courses. One thing here is I'm going to be using this, okay? This is called the Calderón instrument. Calderon, you can call me and we'll get it. You'll see how it's being used, but the simplicity. We have a patient here that came in, and what we're going to do is we're going to be placing 2 implants. But normally what everybody's getting used to, and I don't know why, they want to do these surgical guides. Surgical guides are great, you know, and people that teach them, fantastic. But if something goes wrong, you need to go back to brain guide. And brain guide is what I'm going to teach you. Let's come home, take a look at this. Okay, as you can see here, I already kind of treatment planned the implant over here. All right, and this is the first implant going in here in the area of number 13, and the second one in the area of number 11. So I'm going to bring my little blue line over here, and I already kind of measure these things up, and so while I'm doing this, and what's going to happen is that the first implant is going to be 2 millimeters to 3 millimeters from the surface of the molar, okay, of the crestal surface, and then the second implant is going to be 11 to 12 millimeters from that. That's where the Calderón instrument comes into play. Let me show you. I got my cinematographer here, Kriti. She's the one that does everything for us here. Kriti, can you zoom in all the way over here for us? And can you retract for me there, Paola? Okay. And then zoom right in here, because everybody wants to see what's going on in there, okay? So Pete, you're going to hold this right there, and you're going to hold the suction right there. Perfect. So this is the area. A lot of times, can you zoom in right into this here area here? Good, good. So you can see it now, Kriti? Mm-hmm. Good. So when you come to my office out here in West Islip, okay, for our course in June, what's going to happen is that a lot of the questions are the connective tissue. Where is the connective tissue? How much connective tissue do we have? This is when the Calderón instrument comes in. As we get older, you realize our eyes get a little bit weaker. But the connective tissue, put this right on the connective tissue, and where the thick line is at, that thick line is at, I already know it's 5 millimeters. So I have more than enough connective tissue. And now how do I know that? Because I created this bed with a surgery beforehand. Now, what I mentioned beforehand, we're 2 millimeters away from the surface of this molar to place the first implant. I can get a surgical guide, okay, or I can just put my instrument in here, the Calderon instrument right in there. This is pre-measured already, okay? The surface from this slot to the edge here is 3 millimeters. So I can go here, done, my first one. From the surface of this molar, can you see that, Kriti?
Yeah.
Zoom on in, now we don't have to get any lip or anything like that, we're fine. Okay, each line, each thick line, okay, is 5 millimeters. 5, 10, 15. So I can easily go here on the surface, okay, and I said it's about 11 to 12, so 5, 10, oh yeah. That's where both my implants are going to be, approximately. So one's going to go in this direction, and the other one's going to go in this direction. Now, I'm going to show you what's going to how simple this is, because I don't have to flap it open. So why should we flap things open to put the patient through a lot of discomfort if we don't have to? So this is where the Calderón instrument, the Calderón Institute, okay, if you find us on Instagram, Calderón Institute, or you can go to calderoninstitute.com and you'll find us all there, all right? We're having our course in June, our program. It's going to be June 11th, 10th and 11th, and that's the didactic part, and June 24th, 25th. Which is the cadaver part. Yes, the cadaver part. So get ready for this. Get ready. I'll see you soon. Ciao.